What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger, man. I got a quick free 99 risky play for y'all with a token that I think has a lot of potential. So I'm gonna do this real quick, and let y'all do y'all own due diligence. Remember, this is not financial advice. If you are OG to the channel, drop hashtag OG in the comment section so I can, engage with you and let you know I appreciate you for rocking with me. Follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco. We about to blow past 3,000 subscribers or followers, excuse me. We about to turn up right now. Also, we have our own private Facebook community, private stock market game. We have over almost 4,000 members in there right now. It's actually over 4,000 members, almost 5,000 members once I accept everybody in there. Get in the waiting room. I'm about to open up the door very soon. That door will be open for a very limited amount of time. I'm doing a lot of free 99 risky plays in there where you have to do your own due diligence, but I'm calling the plays for you. I do not tell you when to buy, when to sell. It's up to you to look at it, but my average on these plays are 96.6%. So it's up to you to, get in there. So today we have Kalata. I wanted to do this one. I wanted to cover it. It's been on my radar for a minute, but right now I just seen it hit number 3 on coin market cap. So I wanted y'all to check it out. We're down 1%, almost 2% for the day on it, but I think this one has a lot of potential because of the use case. So quickly, I'll just show y'all the chart how we doing today. Also for the week, if you would have bought in a week ago, you could have got in at 36 cents. Right now we're at 57 cents, so it's growing quickly. Also on the month we are at, you could have got in on at 27 cents, so that's pretty much you would have more than doubled your money just in a month on this token. Now I like the use case behind this. This is something I'm big on, looking at synthetic assets. So let's I took a quick look into it. I haven't reviewed the full project, but I just looked into it just enough to know that it was something that I would like to bring to y'all and let y'all basically see it while I'm seeing it. So quickly, we'll go over the website again. I took a look through this. I also went over their Medium page a little bit and took a look at their Twitter page as well as the Telegram, just to make sure the community is there, so I ain't wasting y'all time with this one. But let's get straight into it. So Kalata protocol, redefining the future of finance. So Kalata, total value locked $19 million. So how does Kalata work? The system reads in stock or commodity asset prices via a decentralized price oracle. Issuers lock up collateral. If the corresponding asset value rises above the preset collateral level, the collateral may be liquidated to ensure solvency of the system. So advantages of asset tokenization: reduce geographical barriers, reduce reliance on middlemen, enhance accessibility through fractional ownership. That's something that's going to be very big, especially in the NFT community. Improved asset liquidity, increased transaction efficiency, expanded investor base. So why trade on Kalata exchange? So cross margin on any asset. Kalata supports state-of-the-art cross-margining, maximizing capital efficiency, also zero slippage and guaranteed execution. Every trade will be executed against real-time price feed with zero slippage. So that's pretty dope. Shout out to everybody reaching out to the channel. I'm gonna get to you right after this video, but guaranteed by over collateralized liquidity pool. So assets to be supported in the platform later. So you can see a couple familiar names here: Tilray, Ark Invest, Luminar, Roblox, Chronos, Ballard, 3D Systems, Planeteer, X1, Funko. So this shows you, you want to connect the dots and know that they're working on some pretty big things here. So the value of Kala, gaining profit because of inflation. Kala holders is rewarded with the additional tokens. Acquiring transaction fees for synthetic assets through Kalata exchange. Kala is the governance token of the platform. Anyone can initiate a proposal by paying Kala. Only users who pledge Kala can participate in governance. So I took a look at the roadmap here to see, where we started at kind of with this project. Also, I'll show you where I'm targeting to buy in at as well. So roadmap 2021 quarter 1. So this is already passed, but we'll just go through it just to, give you an idea of what they've been working on. So early research, and this is one thing, I like about the crypto marketing goals, is for them to be these 3 things: specific, measurable, and realistic. And they have that able to be measured here by putting a time frame on it right there. So I like that. So early research and analysis on the feasibility of the project. See, that's a very big thing right there to even see if it's capable or if it makes sense. Establishment of the team, seed round and private round financing. Nice. So finalize the white paper, product planning, community building, and content operation. Nice. Website launch, smart contract, MVP design, community building, and activities. So these are all things I'm assuming that they have done already. Finish developing web pages for forging, trading, and staking. Volunteer recruitment. Finish private round financing. Start the community round financing, and finish the marketing work. Contract audit work starts. 2021 Q2 June. Beta version, internal test, and public test done. Finish IDO and open the public trade of Kalata. Prepare to be listed on central exchange. Leverage product planning. Get in contact with Chinese community. Also, 2021 Q3, hire professional analyst in U.S. stocks. Kalata V2 prototype development and test. Listed on central exchange. Confirm and initiate the basic function of DAO community governance. Prepare Kalata's version 2 support for global communities. Then we got in 2021 Q3 August, Kalata version 2 development and test. Kalata version 2 code audit. Expand and improve tradable assets on Kalata according to TVL data. Number of Kalata basic tradable assets to 20 to 30. Provide research reports on tradable assets. So I like that they're putting a lot of thought into this. This is not something that they just threw together. That's why I think this project is gaining a lot of traction right now. So if you haven't heard of it, you definitely want to add this to your watch list right now. So 2021 Q3 September. So this is where we are now. Prepare support for products on Sol, Near, Ethereum, Tron, Polkadot. Establish Singapore team. To be determined. Get in contact with overseas VC institutions. Sustain long-term cooperation with them using secondary market price. Support for, this is 2021 Q4 October. Support for hybrid mortgage mechanism. ETH plus USDT plus USDC plus DAI plus wrap Bitcoin. Kalata version 2 support for Near marketing and promotion in Near community. Kalata version 2 support for Polkadot. This is 2021 Q4 November. So Kalata version 2 support for Polkadot chain marketing and promotion in Polkadot community. Daily active user number exceeds 5,000. Improve the price pegging and depegging mechanism with off-chain assets. So they're working on something really big. If they can, hone this and basically get this flawless, this is going to be very big, y'all. I can tell y'all that right now. I got some things, some ideas I'm already thinking about bringing to this platform. So 2021 Q4 December, Kalata V2 support for Ethereum chain, marketing and promotion in Ethereum community, complete cross-chain support, number of Kalata basic tradable asset exceeds 100. So I like that they have a full, thought out plan. That's something good to see in the roadmap. Also that I like that they're, have a strategy for targeting, or like penetrating each community. The shout out to the team behind this, man. I wish I could see, exactly if they had a team tab here, but I don't see that. But I like that they already have their Certix audit. They have their Trust Look audit already complete. We have that here. If you want to go through it, you can check that out here. Also the Certix audit. Then just quickly, something that interests me was the Medium. So I want to quickly go over this article. So as you can see, I went through it briefly, but I just wanted to read it for y'all real quick, just so y'all can get a better idea of this project and its use case. So Kalata Protocol, redefining the future of finance. The CMO for Kalata, Stella, was invited to join Math's show and talked about Kalata Protocol, redefining the future of finance. Please read the transcript to learn more about Kalata. So host Cece. So this is a direct transcript. I'll just be reading exactly their conversation, and y'all can just, get a better understanding from this breakdown. So host Cece. I'm Cece, the host of the Math Show. Great pleasure to be here with Stella, CMO of Kalata, and talk about Kalata Protocol, redefining the future of finance. This is from Stella. Hello, I'm Stella Wong, the CMO for Kalata. I'm very grateful for the opportunity to be here with you all and introduce Kalata. My topic today is Kalata Protocol, redefining the future of finance. I hope you will find my stream informative and helpful. To begin, I would like to give you a brief introduction to the Kalata Protocol, who we are and what Kalata does. Kalata is the backbone of synthetic asset issuance and transaction agreements, enabling everyone to have a smooth experience with real-world financial assets on the blockchain. Kalata aims to build on its market position as a leading derivatives trading platform. I will now go into more I will now go more in-depth detail on all I mentioned above and explain exactly how Kalata works and what you can do on our platform. Firstly, why did we choose synthetic assets as the track? As we know, after DeFi, NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are poised for explosive growth in 2021. In fact, the rapid mainstream acceptance of these new tokens are due to their ability to integrate well with real-world items, trading cards, artworks, digital content, etc. However, apart from NFTs, there's another form of asset in the cryptocurrency world that can perfectly interact with the real world and which enables everything to be tokenized: synthetic assets. So this is something very big that y'all should start adding to your radar and start learning more about, that we'll also be covering. So in short, synthetic assets are a bridge between the real world and the crypto world. They are a simulation of an asset: cryptocurrency, stock, gold, commodity, derivative, etc. On-chain, representing a financial instrument made of one or more combinations of assets/derivatives. They are designed to meet the investment needs of investors who are unable or unwilling to hold the initial assets. From the DeFi boom in 2019 to 2020 to the NFT popularity of 2020 through 2021, the market seems to be looking for the catalyst that will trigger the next round of market growth. Many industry insiders, including Changpeng Zhao, founder of Binance, are very bullish on synthetic assets and believe the synthetic assets are likely to spark plug to and believe that synthetic assets are likely the spark plug to start this engine. Synthetics, which began with the emergence of synthetics in 2019 and has grown exponentially in the decentralized finance space over the last 2 years, is now a key component of the DeFi movement. According to block data, synthetic lockups reached 4.63 billion on February 12, 2021. The data does not lie. There is no doubt that the market enthusiasm for synthetic assets is heating up. If we go back to 2019, when the DeFi lockup was only 2 million, but in just 2 years, this rose to above 65 billion. The current synthetic asset lockup is about 3 to 4 billion. If this follows the trajectory of the DeFi explosion, the scale of synthetic assets issued through the blockchain in the future will probably exceed $1 trillion. I'm pretty sure that this will happen. So we strongly believe that the choice of synthetic assets is very promising at this stage, and our aim is to build Kalata's market position as a leading derivatives trading platform. Secondly, why is the Kalata protocol competitive compared to other similar projects? For now, some of the more popular projects in the synthetics asset space are Mirror, UMA, and Synthetics. Let us examine how Kalata compares with these projects. So here's some compared data and an actual table chart that shows different competitive advantages, but that chart is too small for us to blow up right here, so we'll just move on to this next part. So 1, efficient economic model. Kalata has a somewhat similar business model to Synthetics and Mirror protocol in that they both convert traditional financial products into a digital currency, allowing users to gain investment exposures without actually holding the traditional financial products. That's going to be big, y'all. Kalata is able to support a much larger number of synthetic financial products with the support of BSC. Y'all know I like the BSC a lot. So as we know, BSC has a clear advantage of low fees and high throughput compared to Ether, which means that Kalata users will have much easier access to high-yield synthetic asset transactions and a smoother user experience than Synthetics and UMA Synthetics asset protocol that are still deployed on Ether blockchain today. Product performance will also be better. In addition, by being based on BSC, Kalata is able to generate synthetic assets through BUSD. In the future, it will provide users with unlimited deep trading services without slippage and counterparties based on debt pool model, which is also an advantage of BSC, which empowers Kalata on the asset side. Kalata has designed an efficient economic model based on the Kala token. So if y'all want to pause this, y'all can take a look at that. For those who mint synthetic assets and those who provide synthetic asset liquidity, the Kalata system rewards them with Kala native tokens. These can be used not only as governance tokens in voting campaigns, but also in the future for transaction fees for synthetic assets in Kalata's derivatives trading platform. Kala tokens are based on the BEP20 standard. In total, there are 200 million. 10% of the total Kala is retained by the foundation. 45% is used to motivate users to participate in synthetic asset minting, 20% is used for private selling, and 15% will be distributed to the foundation team and early stage investors. We believe that Kalata's economic model based on Kala tokens will bring many benefits to traders and liquidity providers. Our economics offer a win-win situation. These advantages will help Kalata gain a strong edge in the world of synthetic assets. Integration, or this is number 2, so integration of Chainlink price feeds to power synthetic asset trading. Kalata has deployed Chainlink price feeds on Binance Smart Chain and as the default Oracle solution for all markets on our synthetic asset trading protocol. With the high quality tamper-proof data brought on chain by Chainlink's decentralized oracles, Kalata protocol can accurately price in real time various synthetic assets like cryptocurrencies, stocks, commodities, derivatives, and virtually any asset in the future that our ecosystem demands. Integrating Chainlink's time-tested oracles will strengthen the precision and robustness of Kalata's synthetic asset trading platform, making a major milestone towards our goal of making DeFi trading available to everyone and getting us closer to achieve one of our core missions, executing every trade with real-time price feeds. Some of the major benefits of using Chainlink price feeds throughout Kalata include high-quality data, secure node operators, decentralized network, reputation, U.S. stock market. So if y'all want to read through each of these, y'all can pull this article up. But next, let us share with you our latest progress. We undertook private sale of Kala from July 23rd to the 30th this year. Our IDO followed on August 7th. In both cases, they were fully subscribed, which shows great enthusiasm for the Kalata project. I think they did a typo right there. So prior to the launch of Kalata app, we completed security audits conducted by Certix and TrustLook. We did this because we are acutely aware of importance of security in our ecosystem. We also released our open source code on GitHub prior to the launch of the Kalata app. Our app launch, which was much anticipated by the community, occurred on August 16th this year. Our DApp V1 launched with Kala K-Coin trading functions available. Single Kala and single BUSD staking functions are both available. Now, the Kala BUSD mining function is also available. We launched our Genesis mining campaign, which rewarded our users with a mining APR of up to 2,200%. Our current Kala BUSD liquidity pool has a steady APR of around 400 to 500% now. Please visit app.kalata.io for more details. We're testing DApp version 1.2 and adding the NFT module now. Y'all, this is going to be crazy. So make sure y'all do your research and, put this on your watch list. We've made significant progress with making Kalata app accessible on multiple wallets. Currently, the app is accessible on Math Wallet, Token Pocket Wallet, Trust Wallet, Coin98 Wallet, and more. We also opened yield farms and snack pools on BabySwap on August 31st. We also reached a partnership with Alpaca Finance, which is the first leverage yield farming protocol on BSC. Now you can stake IB Alpaca to earn Kala. We carried out several giveaway activities targeting the community members with our partners, CoinMarketCap, Onto Wallet, and Math Wallet. Kalata has a very solid user base and following which continues to grow. We now have nearly 59,000 members in our Telegram, and our Twitter account has over 110,000 followers. Trading volumes on Kalata app continue to grow, and over 7,000 addresses hold Kala tokens now. Finally, dream big with Kalata. Synthetic assets will be a major direction for cryptocurrency markets in the future, as synthetic assets are equivalent to diminishing various traditional financial products in real world, indirectly allowing these traditional financial products to achieve on-chain status. For the synthetic asset track, 2021 will be a very important critical point. Kalata believes that DeFi is not just the play toy of a small group of people, but that Kalata will be the first step for traditional finance traders entering the DeFi world. We intend to redefine the future of finance. Through our actions, we will help more and more users to explore this form of future finance and ultimately bring DeFi into the mainstream. Kalata is committed to building a next generation synthetic asset trading platform with cross-chain capabilities. We have already started development on other emerging public chains. We remain committed to achieving everything we have detailed in our roadmap and much more. We know it's going to be a long journey which requires dedication and consistent effort. We are absolutely committed to achieving success. Everyone can keep dreaming big with us. We redefine the future of finance together. So, host CC, before the start of Math Show, we have collected a wide range of questions on Twitter. For some questions submitted by community members, let's invite Stella to answer. So, if Kalata supports the staking of synthetic U.S. stock assets, once the synthetic assets with obvious financial characteristics are on chain, how to deal with the financial risks such as excessive rise and fall but insufficient market depth. Stella, we are using a very accurate and efficient Oracle service from Chainlink to quote asset prices, so they will very closely mirror the prices in the traditional markets. We have a strong reward system to provide incentives for people to mint synthetic assets and provide liquidity on our platform. Additionally, the team will support liquidity for the synthetic assets on Kalata. Thank you for your question. Hoping my answer informative and helpful. Host CC, there are many synthetic asset products on the market. Could you give an example of the difference between Kalata and all of them? So Stella, as I said above, Kalata has a somewhat similar business model to synthetics and Mirror Protocol in that they both convert traditional finance products into a digital currency, allowing users to gain investment exposure without actually holding the traditional financial products. Kalata is able to support a much larger number of synthetic financial products. With the supports of BSC, as we know, BSC has a clear advantage of low fees and high throughput compared to Ether, which means that Kalata users will have much easier access to high yield synthetic asset transactions and a smoother user experience. So this is just basically repeating what they said at the top. Okay, yeah, so this is basically just repeating that. So that's what we have for this one. So we could check out the Twitter page real quick. You know, over 111,000 followers already, you know, on the Twitter page. It was created October 2020. So you know, almost a year, you know, coming around. So it's still pretty early for this project. A lot of people still don't know about this. So definitely come check them out. We'll get them a follow real quick. Share this video, tag me on Twitter, let them know how y'all found out about them. Also, drop in the comment section if you have something you want me to get to. You know, shill it to me. We'll get to it ASAP. Also, email me if you would like early access to my NFT collection. Email me at DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Also, message me. Whether it's Facebook, Twitter, email, whatever. If you want access to my Discord, you can get access to that right now. It's a paid Discord, $100 a month, but we killing it right now. So if you in there, you should definitely, you know, be loving it. Also, if you're not in there, you should see the free alerts that I'm posting here inside my Facebook group, Private Stock Market Game. You should see the name right here at the top, Private Stock Market Game. Join there. I'm posting free alerts, literally free alerts, 96.6% accurate. So, you know, check it out. Come get this money with us, man. That's all we got for this video, and we are out.